Now we in Golant do make quite a big fuss of our cars, which we keep clean and smart. But we know these farmers are laughing at us and just waiting for winter to start. For when it gets boggy and muddy and soggy, why then our dear farmers do sing. Mud, mud, glorious mud, mixed with a cow that is stickier than blood. So follow me, follow, through potholes so hollow, that motorists wallow in glorious mud. Whenever we motorists sit patiently on, while the cows do the road decorate, we watch them in vain as they slowly plod on, and they tirelessly do defecate. The more they're excreting, the more we're expleting, but all those cows do is to sing. Mud, mud, glorious mud, mixed with a cow that is stickier than blood. So follow me, follow, through potholes so hollow, that motorists wallow in glorious mud. So when in the winter you look at your car and admire all the mud and manure, just stop and consider how lucky you are to have cow dung so ripe and mature. Remember, our farmers are absolute charmers and like nothing more than to sing. Mud, mud, glorious mud, mixed with a cow that is stickier than blood. So follow me, follow, through potholes so hollow, that motorists wallow